Hashtag Bitcoin trend analysis. September 2023, Wednesday. September's unfolding story. A bearish grip tightens. Welcome to our September Bitcoin trend analysis. Looking at the 4-hour chart, it's clear that August included with a definitive shift in market sentiment. The blue and yellow lines, representing our longer-term moving averages, vividly illustrate this change. Towards the middle of August, around the 15th, we saw the blue line, indicating the stronger upward momentum, begin to flatten and then succumb to the downward pressure, giving way to the yellow line. This transition from blue to yellow signaled a weakening of the bullish trend and the increasing dominance of sellers. As we move into September, the trend has become even clearer. The white line, our shorter-term moving average, has consistently stayed above the price action, acting as a dynamic resistance level. Each time Bitcoin attempted to rally, it was met with selling pressure around this line, reinforcing the bearish narrative. We're currently seeing the price hovering around the $108,000 mark, significantly down from its mid-August highs near $122,000. That's a roughly 11% decline from the peak observed within this period. Volume speaks. Bearish confirmation. Let's turn our attention to the volume bars at the bottom of the chart. What do they tell us? Notice a consistent presence of significant red volume bars, especially during periods of sharper declines. This indicates that the downward movements are accompanied by strong selling activity, giving conviction to the bearish trend. While we do see some green bars, they are generally smaller and less frequent, suggesting that buying interest is not yet strong enough to counter the selling pressure effectively. The volume, therefore, largely confirms the bearish momentum we're observing in the price action. Probability of reversal, low, but not impossible given the current setup. The probability of a significant reversal in the immediate short term appears to be low. The trend is firmly established to the downside, with multiple indicators confirming this. For a reversal to occur, we would ideally want to see a sustained break above the white moving average. This would signal that buyers are finally gaining control and pushing prices higher. Increased green volume. A strong surge in buying volume accompanying an upward price movement would lend credibility to a reversal. A change in the longer-term trend, blue-yellow lines. While this takes more time, a shift back to blue line, or at least a significant flattening of the yellow line, would be crucial for a more sustained bullish outlook. Conditions for continuation or reversal. Continuation of the bearish trend. The bearish trend is likely to continue if price remains below the white moving average. Any rallies are likely to be met with resistance at this level. Selling volume remains dominant. Consistent high red volume will fuel further downside. Key support levels are broken. If Bitcoin breaks below current support zones, we could see further capitulation and accelerated declines. Conditions for a reversal. While less probable currently, a reversal could begin to form if a strong impulsive move breaks above resistance, a sudden high-volume surge that pushes price decisively above the white moving average. Accumulation at lower levels. Evidence of smart money accumulating Bitcoin at current or slightly lower prices, potentially indicated by increasing green volume on smaller price drops or consolidations. External positive catalysts. Unexpected news or developments that inject optimism back into the market. In conclusion, September has started with a clear bearish bias for Bitcoin. While the market is dynamic, the current indicator suggests that further downside is more likely in the near term unless we see a significant and sustained shift in volume and price action. Keep an eye on those resistance levels and volume trends for any signs of change. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more just like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and helps us keep creating awesome content for you. Don't forget to like the video so we know you're loving it, and drop a comment to let us know your thoughts. We read every single one. And if you think someone else would enjoy this too, hit that share button and spread the love. Let's grow this community together. Thanks for watching. You're the reason we do what we do.